In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage tickets in HubSpot CRM. We'll explore everything from the basics of ticket creation to advanced management techniques that can enhance your customer support process. This is a crucial tool for ensuring efficient and effective communication. So let's dive into it. First, let's talk about navigating to the tickets section within HubSpot. You can find it either in the CRM or under the service area, depending on how your workspace is set up. Once there, you'll notice several options for creating tickets. You can do this manually by clicking on Create Ticket from the Tickets Index page. Here, you'll want to enter essential ticket details like the name, pipeline, and current status to keep everything organized from the get-go. Another option is within the Help Desk workspace. Similar to the Tickets page, you can click Create Ticket and start associating it with specific contacts or companies, providing more context right from the start. This ensures that context follows the ticket throughout its life cycle. If you're managing existing customer conversations, head over to the Conversations inbox. Here, you can expand the ticket section in an open conversation and either create a new ticket or associate the conversation with an existing one. This is especially handy when dealing with ongoing issues, as it keeps all related information in one place. Automation is powerful in ticket management. By configuring forms and workflows, you can automatically create tickets upon form submission or trigger ticket creation based on certain actions, saving you time and minimizing manual input. If you prefer a more technical approach, the HubSpot CRM API allows for programmatic ticket creation and management, offering flexibility for developers. Once your tickets are created, managing them effectively is key. Start by updating ticket properties. These include status, owner, priority, and descriptions, ensuring that everyone involved has the latest information. Logging interactions can never be overlooked. It's wise to add notes, calls, emails, tasks, and meetings to the ticket's timeline, giving you a comprehensive view of the issue's progression. As tickets move through various stages of resolution, adjusting their status in the pipeline is vital. Keep them linked to relevant contacts and companies for better organization and context. This provides full clarity to anyone who might pick up the process at any stage. The Conversations inbox isn't just for creating tickets. It's an effective tool to manage and respond directly to customers, keeping ticket details up to date. Similarly, the Help Desk gives you a complete view of all tickets and their associated conversations, offering a snapshot of your team's workload. Consider setting up workflows to automate ticket creation, updates, and notifications, streamlining your process by responding to specific triggers and conditions. Furthermore, a customer portal can be a game changer. Allowing customers to view and manage their tickets improves their ability to self-serve, reducing your team's workload and improving satisfaction. By following these practices, you'll find that creating and managing tickets in HubSpot CRM not only helps streamline your customer support process, but also enhances overall customer satisfaction by improving response times. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips helpful in optimizing your ticketing system.